We were on the stage of Nexpo together with Accelerate Estonia. So I'm from Aio and Mart-Erik is from Gelatex. And it is a good study case in a wise that where public sector really helps the companies like we are. So what we are struggling currently is that we want to come in a market in EU, but different European barriers are blocking us. And for that, we really need this start to these discussions that how we make this process smoother and easier for companies like us so the innovation wouldn't run out from Europe.
So the innovation is heavily driven by the demand, and current focus for the whole world is to develop new sources for the protein. So alternative proteins is more general term for this industry we both are active in. We at Gelatex help cultured meat companies. So this is a cell-based meat grown in a bioreactor, not inside the animal. We are helping this industry to have their products ready and with a better quality. And it's highly demanding industry, meaning that it's highly regulated, super complex, and at the same time we're talking about food, meaning that it needs to be price competitive. So Accelerate Estonia has been a good partner for us on that journey to, first of all, address certain risks, even figure out what certain risks are, and then help us to pave the way how to mitigate those risks.
Aio is a biotech company where we use our unique microorganism to produce fats and oils. And these fats and oils should substitute in the future palm oil or coconut fat or animal-based fats, which are not so sustainable. And yes, with this vertical industry in a wise that we don't need much land and water, we are able to provide more eco-conscious solutions for our food as well as cosmetics, household chemical and the feed industry.
So at Gelatex we are developing nanofibrous growth substrate for cultured meats companies. We're seeing that the first cultured meat products are already entering market in US and in Singapore, not entering, on the market already. But in Europe, it takes more time. What was discussed also in the panel was that in Europe, the European Union, we have a uniform regulation framework. So it doesn't matter if you bring a novel food to the market in Estonia or in Italy, regulations are the same. So it's more conservative in terms of timeline. So everything takes more time, but at the same time, the products that reach markets are for sure considered safe, reliable, and definitely sustainable.